Om Shanti. Essence of Avyakt Murli. 16th February 2025. Title of Murli. Stay in the self-respect of being an ancestor and worthy of worship and sustain every soul of the world. Give blessings and receive blessings. Bap Dada said, "You are the supporting ancestors of the souls of the whole world." Just as the last leaf of a tree receives sakash through the root or the stem, similarly all souls automatically receive sakash through you. At present, there is a wave of unrest and sorrow everywhere. All souls are calling out to you, ancestors, the deity souls. Can't you hear the voices of the devotees? Further, Baba said, "Now, according to the circumstances of the time, Bap Dada wants to see every Brahman child always busy in unlimited service. Because by being busy, you are saved from many types of upheaval. So, now, do all three services together at one time. It should not be just service through words, but rather, the mind, words and actions should be all three together. Only then will you have more success in service." Finally, Baba said, "If you want to always remain in a state that is free from obstacles, then underline two things in particular. Firstly, look at every soul with a soulful vision. Secondly, throughout the day, give blessings to everyone through your vision, attitude, words and feelings and receive blessings. You must remain free from thinking about others, seeing others and believing in others." Blessing for today. May you be decorated with the tilak of victory by creating your number, 1 fortune with your unbroken line of faith. Details are: the children whose intellects have faith never go into the expansion of how, kaise, or like this, essay. The unbroken lines of their faith are clearly seen by all souls. The lines of their faith are never broken in between. You will constantly see a tilak of victory on the foreheads of those who have such lines, that is, it will be in their awareness. As soon as they are born, they have to wear a crown of responsibility of doing service. They will be those who constantly play with the jewels of knowledge. They will be those who spend their lives constantly swinging in the swings of remembrance and happiness. These lines are of number 1 fortune. Slogan is, to have the punctuation of a full stop in the computer of your intellect means to remain happy. Om Shanti.